Hi guys, Gyro Space. In this video, I will show you how to set up a music video live stream using Streamlab OBS in a laptop or PC. This would be an upgrade if you are doing a silent live stream. First, you need to install Streamlab on your computer. Make sure you also have a VLC video player. Now, let's start with our setup. Open the Streamlab. Notice that there are 3 sections. The leftmost section is called Scene section. This is where you can select which display or video would appear on your viewer. Now, click the plus sign of the Scene section to add a new scene. Name your scene on your preference. Click the plus sign in the source section at the middle of the screen. Select VLC source and click Add Source. Tick the Add a New Source instead and name your new source. Then click Add Source. Now, click the plus sign to add new files or directory. Let's choose the Add Files for now. Later, I will show you the other option. Here, you can select the music you need. You can add these music to your playlist. Right-click, then select Add to VLC Playlist. Just drag and drop the individual music to rearrange the order of your playlist. After confirming your playlist order, go to Media. Then, click Save Playlist to File. Select the folder where you want to save your playlist. Name your playlist. Select the M3U type for your playlist. You can select the other file type, but I prefer the M3U. Now, you see our playlist here. Just select it, and press Open. Then click Done. Notice that the music is now playing. I prefer to adjust the volume of my music to -9 dB. You can adjust it based on your preference. Now, let's add the video background of our stream. Like earlier, select VLC source. Then click Add Source. Name your source file. Click the plus sign to add files. Now let's add them to the VLC playlist. Go to Media, then Save to File. Name your file. Again, choose M3U file type. Select the newly saved video playlist and click Open. Make sure that the loop checkbox is ticked. Notice that the videos have different resolution size. So, make sure your videos have the same resolution. Now, I want to show you another way of adding music or video source. Again, click the plus sign on the source section. Then, add VLC source. This time, select the Add directory instead of Add files. Now, select the folder that contains your music files. Again, make sure that your videos have the same resolution size. After setting out Streamlab, go to your YouTube channel. Then, go to your live stream dashboard. Click Go Live. You can choose to use the settings of your previous stream. But let's just choose a blank setup. Give it a title and description. You could also schedule your stream. Set the thumbnail. Now, create stream. On your live dashboard, copy the stream key. Make sure to keep it private. Now, back to Streamlab. Go to Settings. Select the Stream tab. Scroll down and delete the old stream key. Press Ctrl V to paste the new stream key. Click Done. You can also adjust the video resolution of your stream. Go to Settings. Then click the Video tab. Here you can select the resolution you want. I prefer the 1920 by 1080 HD resolution. Now, with everything set up, we are ready to go live. Just press the green Go Live at the lower right corner of the screen. Now, the preview of your stream will load on your live stream dashboard. Just wait for it a bit. When it is ready, click the blue Go Live button at the upper right corner of the page. After your stream, just click the End Stream on the Streamlab. Good luck on your next live stream. Peace out.